Amazon sale, Prime Day prices today on the 4K Fire TV Stick, Cube and more. Spring is officially here, and to celebrate, Amazon has announced a limited time sale on some of its most popular devices. You can find Prime Day prices on Amazon products that include tablets, streaming devices, home security cameras and more. A standout deal is the best-selling 4K Fire TV Stick that's on sale for $39.99. That's a $10 discount and the best price we've found for the streaming media player. The powerful Fire TV Stick allows you to stream all your favorite movies and TV shows in 4K Ultra HD. The Fire TV Stick also offers an Alexa voice remote, so you can launch Netflix, Amazon Video, Hulu and more with the command of your voice. You can also use the remote to stream music from your TV and control your other smart home devices. We aren't sure how long Amazon will have its devices on sale, so you should make sure to take advantage of this spring sale while you can. Amazon also has the second-generation Fire TV Stick, and the Fire TV Cube discounted today as well. The Fire TV Stick is on sale for only $29.99, and while it lacks 4K streaming, it does offer an Alexa remote, so you can stream your favorite content using your voice. The Fire TV Cube is a hands-free 4K streaming media player that features Amazon Alexa and a built-in speaker. The Fire TV Cube is on sale today for $79.99. You can shop more Fire TV device deals with the best Amazon Fire TV deals, prices and sales that are happening now. Interested in other smart home devices? We also have the best cheap smart home devices and gadget deals that are currently available.